The 2015 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, CD player, MP3 player, child safety locks, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.